Looking to elevate your home with pieces that feel elegant, modern, and effortlessly polished? These luxury Amazon furniture picks and interior design finds are here to transform any space into something stunning. From statement accents to cozy upgrades, every item brings style without the stress. All product links are in the description below. Why settle for a regular nightstand when this one powers your whole bedside setup? It comes with built-in outlets and USB ports, so you can charge your devices right in the drawer. The sliding top and smooth rails make accessing storage effortless, while the colorful LED lights add a fun, cozy vibe. You can control the lights with a button or your phone, setting the mood however you like. Here's a smart little sofa that works overtime without taking up much space. It starts as a comfy Loveseat, then pulls out into a cozy sleeper in seconds whenever you need an extra bed. The backrest adjusts to different angles, so you can sit upright, lean back, or stretch out completely. Soft velvet upholstery and 2 plush pillows make it feel extra inviting. With a hidden side pocket for remotes and essentials, it keeps your space tidy while giving you flexible seating. If you want something that instantly makes your wall look alive, this 3D LED art piece does it in the coolest way. You get layered shapes that pop right off the surface, and the soft backlighting adds a warm glow that completely changes the mood of your space. It works in living rooms, bedrooms, entrances, pretty much anywhere you want a standout moment. The design mixes nature elements like mountains and wildlife to give your room a calm, artistic vibe. If you're tired of dragging out a mop and vacuum separately, this smart cleaner makes life a whole lot easier. It picks up wet and dry messes at the same time, adjusting its power automatically so you don't have to think about settings. The roller reaches right up against baseboards, leaving floors dry and streak-free in minutes. When you're done, it even cleans itself, so you never deal with a dirty brush. With its slim, cordless design, it fits neatly into small spaces and stays ready for the next mess. Meet the Purifier that feels like it's doing the thinking for you. This smart tower pulls in dirty air and traps tiny particles, odors, and gases with a fully sealed HEPA system. It cools you in the summer, warms the whole room in the winter, and keeps airflow smooth and powerful all year. You can check air quality, adjust settings, or set schedules right from your phone or with your voice. With wide-angle oscillation, it sends fresh, clean air exactly where you need it. Here's a rug that instantly makes your room feel warm and put together the moment you roll it out. It's handmade with a thick, textured weave that feels soft under your feet and adds a natural, cozy look to your space. The blend of wool and cotton gives it durability while keeping the surface comfortable and inviting. You can place it in the living room, bedroom, or dining area, and it always fits right in. If you want storage that actually looks stylish, this tall ladder shelf does the job perfectly. You get 5 open tiers for books, plants, and decor, plus a hidden cabinet at the bottom to tuck away anything you'd rather keep out of sight. The metal frame keeps everything stable, and the wood shelves add a warm, modern touch. It sits neatly against the wall, saving space while giving you tons of display room. Whether it's in your living room, bedroom, or office, it instantly makes the whole area feel more organized. If you love furniture that does more than one job, this clever floor lamp is going to be your new favorite. It lights up your room with soft whites or millions of colors, all controlled right from your phone. You can dim it, schedule it, or switch scenes without even getting off the couch. The built-in shelves give you space to display books, plants, or anything you want within reach. It's a bright, modern upgrade that makes your room feel organized, cozy, and a little smarter. Here's a lamp that makes your room feel smarter the moment you turn it on. It glows in rich colors, warm or cool whites, and even shifts through dozens of preset scenes to match your mood. You can tap it awake at night, let it dance to music, or control it hands-free through your favorite smart home setup. The brightness is strong, smooth, and easy to adjust, so you always get the lighting you want. Need a table that moves with you? This C-shaped end table slides easily under sofas or beds, giving you a handy surface wherever you need it. The adjustable top tilts at 4 angles, so you can eat, read, work, or binge watch in total comfort. Made from natural wood, it's sturdy, smooth, and adds a warm touch to any room. 2 lockable wheels let you roll it around or keep it perfectly still. Why settle for boring seating when you can get storage and comfort in one clever piece? This soft velvet ottoman gives you a cozy place to sit, rest your feet, or use as a quick vanity stool. Lift the lid, and you'll find a hidden storage compartment that keeps your room looking tidy and clutter-free. Flip that same lid over, and it instantly becomes a small coffee table you can actually use. It's sturdy, stylish, and ready to help you make the most of your space. Rocking has never felt this smooth. This glider and ottoman set lets you glide effortlessly, perfect for feeding, reading, or relaxing with your little one. Crafted from solid wood, it's sturdy and built to last while staying gentle on your floors. Padded armrests hide convenient pockets for books, electronics, or nursery essentials right at your fingertips. Looking for a chair that does more than just sit pretty? This swivel accent chair spins a full 360 degrees, letting you turn in any direction effortlessly. It hides a clever storage compartment, perfect for stashing blankets, books, or little essentials right under your seat. The soft foam cushion and supportive back make it comfy for hours of reading, working, or relaxing. Imagine a cloud you can sit on. That's exactly what this oversized round sofa feels like. With 14 plush pillows, you can arrange support for your back, waist, or head however you like. The soft chenille fabric is cozy, durable, and easy to clean, making it perfect for pets or busy households. It's big enough for lounging, gaming, or napping, and arrives ready to enjoy. No assembly needed. Take your living room to the next level with this floating TV stand. It holds TVs up to 80 inches while keeping your floor space clear. Built-in LED lights offer 23 colors, letting you set the perfect mood for movies or gaming. Hidden outlets and USB ports make charging your devices simple and neat. 2 roomy shelves give space for DVDs, books, or decor, keeping everything organized and stylish. Bedside magic is real with this smart nightstand. It charges your phone wirelessly while you sleep, so no more tangled cords. The LED lights shift between warm, cool, and natural tones, creating a cozy vibe for winding down. A sleek glass top and gold finish make it a stylish accent anywhere in your room, and the drawer keeps your essentials tucked away neatly, all while taking up minimal space. You know those days when you just want to disappear into something soft and not move for a while? This oversized lounge bed gives you that exact escape. The raised edge feels like a full-body hug, and the cushioned base melts away tension the moment you sink in. There's even a cozy blanket and pockets for your essentials. It's the kind of comfort you share with your pet, or keep all to yourself. Getting ready feels way more fun when your furniture works as hard as you do. This clever vanity flips open to reveal a mirror, then closes to act like a nightstand when you're done. You get drawers for makeup, slots for tall bottles, and a hidden organizer that keeps everything tidy. The glass top lets you see your favorites instantly, and the cushioned stool slides right underneath, saving space while keeping your room looking clean and stylish. Your hangout spot instantly feels upgraded with this smart table. It keeps your snacks cold in hidden fridge drawers, so you never have to pause a movie or game to grab something. Music sounds awesome thanks to the built-in speakers and mood lights that glow with the beat. You can charge your devices right on the surface without cords everywhere, and the storage inside keeps everything organized while the glass top stays easy to clean. Your workday feels totally different the moment you sit in this chair. It lets you cross your legs, kneel, perch, or switch positions whenever your body needs a reset. The padded seat and footrest keep you comfy while you move, and the backrest adjusts so you get support right where you want it. You can even swivel the footrest out of the way to sit normally. If you fidget, stretch, or shift a lot, this chair finally lets you sit your way. Your place instantly feels calmer the moment this fountain turns on. Water glides down a mirror panel, giving you a moving reflection that looks both cool and relaxing. Soft lights glow behind the stream, so you get a peaceful vibe whether it's day or night. You can hang it indoors or outside, and it fits almost anywhere without taking up floor space. And upkeep is simple. Just plug it in, fill it, and enjoy the quiet, steady flow. Your sink is about to feel way more futuristic. This smart faucet lights up as the water changes temperature, giving you a cool glow every time you wash your hands or face. You can pull out the sprayer and turn it in any direction, so cleaning the sink or rinsing off is super easy. 4 flow modes give you everything from a gentle rinse to a strong spray. And the touch clean nozzles let you wipe away buildup in seconds. Your living room is about to feel like a giant pillow fort. This cloud-style sectional lets you sink in the moment you sit, wrapping you in soft, supportive foam that molds to your body. You can rearrange the pieces however you like, so it works in small spaces or big rooms. The cozy corduroy gives you that warm, snuggly feel you'll never want to get up from. And setup is easy. Just unbox, let it expand, and enjoy. What happens when a rule-breaking art collective teams up with a performance powerhouse? You get a wild furniture exhibition where real car parts are transformed into chairs, lamps, and even trash bins. Each piece feels like a sculpture, blending precision engineering with playful, out-there creativity inspired by radical design. The showcase also includes apparel, engine scan prints, and even a quirky fragrance shaped like a tiny apple tree. Ever wish your coffee table could do more than just sit there? This clever lift-top design pops up to become a comfy dining spot, a chill laptop station, or a handy workspace whenever you need it. Lift the top and you'll find a roomy hidden compartment that keeps remotes, blankets, and daily clutter out of sight. You also get 4 mini stools that work as seats, footrests, or tiny tables, each with their own secret storage inside. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.